I cried. My friends and roommates and family are all here, and it's the most, I'm speechless.
It's the best opportunity in the world, just giving back to this campus. Like, I just love this place so much. It felt like a home to me as soon as I stepped foot here freshman year, and just to give back to it, so much. I'm getting caught with emotion right now.
Oh wow, overwhelmed. I didn't think it was going to be that bright when I took my head off. So after seeing all the light, it kind of took my eyes a little bit to adjust, but I'm feeling really good.
I'm so over the moon, just excited, and just, my emotions are everywhere right now, honestly.
Yeah, honestly, this is an experience like no other. I'm in complete awe right now. I don't know how to feel right now. I'm speechless.
Being Frieda was the best opportunity, just like Jake said, and like any atmosphere. And if you want to be Frieda Falcon, do it. It's the most like wonderful feeling in the world.
It was one of the most surreal experiences of my entire life. I'm not good at keeping secrets. I'm an open book, so keeping this has been a really crazy experience, but it's been so fulfilling to be able to give back to BG.
I had a friend that was in 6'6", that got revealed last year, and she happened to be one of my best friends, and after she got revealed and telling me about her experience, it made me want to get back like she did, and that's why I just love this place so much.
Because I wanted to push myself out of my comfort zone. I wanted to do more. I wanted to be like, just wanted to try something different, and it was phenomenal.
I was given a lot from BG, being a PLA scholar. I felt like it was my job and duty to give back in a way that I thought was right, and something I was passionate about that a lot of people didn't know about.